Good morning, students. Today's topic is paragraph writing of your English grammar book. First, let's see what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a logical group of sentences that revolves around one central idea, and it must have unity. Unity means combining of all elements in an effective way. Second is order, proper order of the sentences. And the last one is variety. Variety means variety of sentences. That is, it should not sound monotonous. And in the paragraph, we should write it in between 8 to 10 sentences. All right, a paragraph is of just 8 to 10 sentences. All right. Next is the template of the paragraph or the chart for constructing the paragraph, and it must have 5 steps. The first is to define the definition of the topic. Second is the problem that is related with that topic. Next is solution to the problem, and at the fourth point, benefits of the solutions, and at the last, conclusion should be in a positive note. So all these 5 steps are to be kept in our mind to construct a better paragraph. So let's just take an example, that is yoga. To write the essay of the yoga, we first have to define the definition of the yoga. First step is to define what exactly yoga is. What is yoga for? Actually, yoga is an ancient practice which is helpful for physical and mental well-being of mankind. The second step is the problem. Problem explains the problem currently we face that is related with the yoga, and it must include the issues like sadness, anxiety, or unhappiness. In this modern age, the graph of happiness has gone considerably down, and stress levels are all-time high. Due to this, health related issues has become very common. And the third step is the solution. Provide the solution to the problem that we are facing. All right, the problems like anxiety, sadness, unhappiness. Okay, yoga can be very beneficial under these circumstances. The reason being it involves both physical and mental exercises. And the fourth step is the benefits of the solution that we have provided. State the potential benefits. What are the benefits of the yoga? Yoga can tackle the problems like anxiety, unhappiness, and sadness. Regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and other mind related issues. It helps shape our body properly and thereby decreasing any health related issue. And the last one is to conclude, or conclusion means the ending. Conclude with the positive note. All the issues will be combined at the last step, that is the conclusion. We can conclude it in the way like realizing the true power that yoga has to cure our physical and mental ailment. We must start practicing it on a regular basis to improve overall quality. So to write the topic of the yoga, we conclude the all 5 steps combinedly. Yoga is an ancient practice which is helpful for physical and mental well-being of mankind. In this modern age, the paragraph of happiness has gone considerably down, and stress levels are all time high. Due to this, health related issues has become very common. Yoga can be very beneficial under these circumstances. The reason being it involved both physical and mental exercises. Regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and other mind related issues. It helps shape our body properly, thereby decreasing any health related issues. Realizing the true power of the yoga has to cure a physical and mental ailment, we must start practicing it on a regular basis to improve overall quality of our life. So we have first is the definition, second is the problem, and third is the solution and benefits, and at the last conclusion. So let's revise. First, what is paragraph? Paragraph is a logical group of sentences and it is focused on one central idea. It must have unity, order, and variety. And next is the template of the paragraph, in which we learn about the 5 steps. That is to define the topic. Second, provide solution. Provide problem. Then solution to the problem, then benefits of the solution, and at the last conclusion must involve all that above stated 4 steps. So at the last we do the yoga. Thank you.